Okay? When calculate cost of living index or consumer price index, first thing is we need to check which method they have asked. Is it by aggregative expenditure method or family budget method? First task. Okay. After checking that, go to solution. If they don't mention anything, just they said calculate cost of living index, no method they mention, then see the data, what data they have given. Okay, so in the data, if a P naught, that is base year price, P1 current year price, and W is given, then which formula will apply here? Family budget method, summation W P divided by summation W. So with help of P naught and P1 we can identify P, that is P is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100, and WP we can calculate. If instead of W, Q naught is given, then no method is mentioned, just cost of living index, and P naught, P1, Q naught are given. Which method you will go for? Which method you will use here? Aggregate expenditure or family budget method? Okay. So here in this case, you can use any one. It's not restricted to this one only. Okay. So because Q naught is given, if you multiply Q naught with P naught, so P naught Q naught and P1 Q naught. So you can go for aggregate expenditure method, or else P naught into Q naught, second step, P is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100. Third step, this P naught into Q naught will become W, and here is the P, and third step, W into P. So 3 steps you have to go for. So better there use which method? Aggregative expenditure method when Q naught is given. Family budget, 3 steps. First find the W, then P, then W into P. Aggregate expenditure method, just 2 steps. P naught Q naught, P1 Q naught, and directly calculation. And don't forget to mention CLI or CPI is equal to summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100, or family budget method CLI or CPI is equal to summation WP divided by summation W, where P is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100 and W is equal to P naught and Q naught. Got it? So though it looks like a Laspeyres formula, here we don't write P naught 1. In this case, consumer price index number, mention either CLI or CPI. Better mention what they have given in the problem. If they have mentioned cost of living index, then write CLI. If they mention consumer price index, then mention CPI. Okay. Now we'll take a problem. In this problem, base year price and expenditures are given, and current year price is given here. Okay, and the method asked is aggregative expenditure method. Aggregative expenditure method. So aggregative expenditure method means, what is the formula? CLI or CPI is equal to summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100. And what all columns they have given? So first thing, base year price. So base year price is nothing but what here? It's a P naught. And then current year price, it is a P1. And what is the expenditure here? Expenditure in rupees. Can you tell me what it is? Expenditure means? Hmm? Price into quantity. Base year price into base year quantity. Not just price into quantity. It's a base year expenditure means base year price into base year quantity. P naught into Q naught. Okay. Now, here most of the students, without seeing what he has given here, they will assume it as a Q naught itself. In most of the exams, most of the students, they consider it as a Q naught and directly they have calculated P naught Q naught and P1 Q naught column by taking as a expenditure itself as a Q naught, base year quantity. So second thing, after searching the problem here, which method he has given, second thing we should give care here is here base year price and what he has given, expenditure or value or quantity. Value is nothing but again expenditure itself. Value means price into quantity. For base year value P naught Q naught, current year value P1 Q1. So same here, base year expenditure P naught Q naught. Now by utilizing this column, we need to identify what? Base year quantities first. Okay. So base year quantity, how do you find here? Q naught is equal to same P naught Q naught divided by P naught. So this is included P naught. So if you divide it by P naught, we get Q naught. So first calculation 240 divided by 20. 240 divided by 12. 20. Is it 20? Okay, next 70 divided by 14. 5. Next 39 divided by 13. 3. 40 divided by 10. 4. 66 divided by 11. 6. 72 divided by 8. Sorry, how much? 9. Okay, so how we got this? Just I'll write one here. 72 divided by 8. Okay, so already we have a P naught Q naught column, and here also some students make a mistake. It's not a mistake, but a waste of time. That is, after finding Q naught, we need to find only P1 Q naught column because already P naught Q naught is there here. Okay, so just we need to find out what? P1 Q naught column. But a few students, what they do, they will find again P naught into Q naught once again. Okay, that is a waste of time. They don't get any marks extra for that there. Okay, so don't do that mistake. Now P1 into Q naught. 17 into 20. 340. 16 into 5. 80. Next 18 into 3. 54. Next 25 into 4. 100. 30 into 6. 180. And 25 into 9. 225. Now make the total of P1 Q naught column and P naught Q naught column. Okay. 547. Okay. Next P1. How much? 27. Okay. 527. Next P1 Q naught column. 9. 979. Okay. Right. Now by applying that in the formula, CLI or CPI is equal to summation P1 Q naught 979 divided by summation P naught Q naught 527 into 100. So CLI or CPI is equal to how much? 979 divided by 527 into 100. 185.77. Okay, so 185.77. What it indicates here? Increase in price level. Okay, how much increased here? So that is 85.77%. So price level increased by 85.77%. Price level increased by 85.77%. How we got that? So just deduct 100 from this 185.77. So we get 85.77. So price level increased by 85.77%. Suppose for the same data, if the question is asked to find the cost of living index by family budget method. So instead of aggregate expenditure method, if it is asked by family budget method, then what is the formula? The formula is summation WP divided by summation W. And what is P here? P is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100. Okay, and W is nothing but P naught into Q naught. So P naught into Q naught is already given here. We need to identify just what? Just P column. Instead of these all calculation, we need to calculate one column, that is P is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100. Then W into P. So this P naught into Q naught will become what here? W for the same problem. Okay. So now can you tell me what is the P values? 17 divided by 12 into 100. 141.67. Okay, take only two digits. And next, 16 divided by 14 into 100. 114.28. Okay, next 18 divided by 13 into 100. 138.46. Okay, next 25 divided by 10 into 100. 250. Is it? Next 30 divided by 11 into 100. 272.73. Okay, next 25 divided by 8 into 100. 312.5. Okay, now W into P. So first one, 240 into 141.67. Three four triple 0.8. Okay, 8 only now. Okay, next 70 into 114.28. 7,999.6. Okay. Next, 39 into 138.46. 39 into 138.46. 5399.494. Okay. Next, 40 into 250. 1000 or 10,000. Okay. Next, 66 into 272.73. 18,000.18. Okay. Last one, 72 into 312.5. 72 into 312.5. 22,500. Okay. So what is the grand total of WP column? 34,000.8, 7,999.6, 5,399.94, 10,000, 18,000.18, 22,500. 979058. Okay, 900 97900. Okay, 52. Okay, so summation WP is 97900.52 and summation W is 527. Now CLI or CPI is equal to 97900.52 divided by 527. So CLI is equal to how much? 97900.52 divided by 527. 185.77. Okay. So both answer CLI by aggregate expenditure method and CLI by family budget method. Both answers are same. Okay, so there is no difference between both the method here. Just we will get the same answer, but in exam, which method they have asked, we have to refer that method and we have to solve the problem. So here the comment is what? Price level increased by 85.77%. Okay, and remember one thing here: P formula, W formula, and CLI formula. These all three are important here. They carry the marks here. Okay, and calculation of these two. For this WP, 1 mark. These formula carry 1 mark, one mark each, 3 marks. Calculation of this 1 mark and final comment 1 mark. So this is how 5 marks is divided between the calculations here. Okay.